Hey family, it's your girl Sevenn. Your favorite party is back. Your favorite party, she's back. But today, guess what we are doing? I wanted to get content. I want to market some of my products and some of my things that I have for sale. So I decided to put on this cute outfit. And I have this hair to match. So I wanted to do highlights initially, but then when I got to the shop and I saw the amount of work that highlights was gonna take and how long it was gonna take, I was like, yeah, nah, this isn't gonna fit into my time, my schedule. So I just did, like in the front, I have the two blonde patches, and then I did like the ombre. Oh, not you in the back. And then I have an ombre at the bottom. Yeah, let me show you in the mirror, actually. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm actually gonna curl it on the wig head because we all know how hard it is to curl your own hair. I mean, it's not super duper hard, but I just don't feel like going through that arm pain. So I'm going to take you guys through that process, and we're gonna curl it on the mannequin head. Okay, so now I'm gonna just make sure that the wig is aligned so that when I do that middle part, I don't have any issues. Alright, so I'm gonna just take both ends and make sure my fingers meet up in the middle. That's how I typically tell whether or not the wig is aligned. Alright. So learn from me, guys. Make sure you do this part when you're in the bleaching and the coloring process. That was a mistake that I should have known better. Okay, so everything has to be in place. Literally, you can just take some off the top with your finger and dab it on the client's hair like that, because nobody just likes that stringy look. Like, I actually used to deal with that a lot. I used to OD on this, and I also used to use a wax stick, and I was just like, no, like, why y'all hair look like Amazon hair and you're buying luxury hair? You know what I mean? So that's when I had to chill out on the wax stick. Okay guys, so we have the top flat. Let me give it a little closer. The top is flat. Now we're gonna get into curling. That's what I'm saying. Y'all really looking at me bald right now. So, as with every other curling tutorial, you need to know that your spritz is necessary. Your holding spray, whatever it is you use, you got it. It's a necessary part. Alright, and just for some razzle dazzle, because sometimes I feel like, okay, maybe I don't think I did enough. I actually don't know which barrel curl I want to use. I want to use the smaller one, but the handle actually broke off, so that's why I'm not really sure. But let me see. Oh, see, it just burnt me. Let me see how the first one goes, and then I'll come back and let you guys know. So I was able to kind of like manipulate the curling iron to get it to work how I needed to. So now that has been done, let us get into the specifics. So let me bring you a little closer so you can see exactly what it is that I'm doing. All right, so first thing you need to do, so right now I'm just curling the hair. But to get beach waves, the key is to make sure that you unravel the hair correctly. It's not really even about the way you curl it. It's about the way you take the curl down. Okay, so for this part, if you have a normal curling iron, one that is not broken, you won't have to do what I'm doing right there with my finger. The clamp itself will hold the hair. You won't have to hold it with your fingers. Yep, and that's how it should look. That's how I want my curls to end up looking all throughout. So I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna redo this one. And guys, so I actually decided I'm not going to show you guys the regular, well, actually I may still show you guys what the regular curling iron looks like. But I figured out, I got a technique like literally during the process, right? And it's actually easier. I feel like it's gonna be easier for people to do this on their own heads rather than opening the clamp. And that's why I said I didn't want to show you guys with the clamp, because I feel like this way is gonna be much easier. So let me just show you what I just did. So we're gonna wrap it like so. Oh wait, sorry. Yeah, like this. Wrap it again. Let's continue wrapping it. Oh my gosh, I be talking to myself, guys. Do not mind me. Do not mind me. So now I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so one, you're gonna wrap it like so. Can you see? Yeah, you can see, right? You're gonna wrap it like so. I'm looking in the mirror to make sure you guys can see. All right, yeah, so you're gonna wrap it like so. Just keep wrapping till you get all the way to the end. And make sure the further down you go, you gotta come back up and take care of those curls at the top. Don't forget about them. Come back down, go back up, come back down, and go back up one more time. Right? Oop. We're holding it like this, and then we're literally just gonna drop it. Literally just going to drop it and pull it, pull it, pull it. Yep. And there we have a pretty beach wave. Easy. Effortless. No blessings, sweet, I keep up diabetes. One time, I show you guys one time. You can go down, remember? You gotta go back. Everything you do on one side, you gotta do the other. So if you're gonna go down, you gotta come back up. That's a good metaphor. If you're gonna go down, you gotta come back up. You must. You must. Alright, that was crazy. Let me stop. Alright, so one more time. We're gonna hold like so. Make sure you guys can see. We're gonna hold it like so. And then we're just going to drop it. Pull the curl. Stretch it. Yeah. All right, guys, so this is the final product. Now we're going to put it on and then comb it out. Love how I've always been into accessories, and I'm literally like known for jewelry. Like, people that know me know that I love to get dressed. They know I know how to dress, and they know that I specifically, though, they know that I love to accessorize. And it's just like, I'm looking at myself like, dang, I see what y'all talking about. I see what you guys are talking about, because I love, like, look at me, I'm all jeweled up right now. These are my favorite, but like, wow. And then the wig I had on earlier actually matched my necklace because it had a pearl in the, it was a boho dreadlock wig, and it had a pearl as one of the charms. So I was like, this is super duper cute. All right, guys, we're about to put it on. Oh my God, I'm a bald baddie. I'm bold and bad. Hold on, it's a fly right here. I'm about to kill it. Damn it, he got lucky. All right, I don't have enough storage to be playing around with this damn fly. Fly always coming out of somewhere trying to distract me. You know, I heard that flies are monitoring spirits, and I'm starting to believe it. Different because I never wear colors, so we're gonna see how this goes. I literally never do colors, but we are going to see. I feel like I'm not gonna like it, but we're gonna see. Yo, I'm literally running out of glue. But I'm gonna make it work, okay? One thing I do know is that I will make something out of nothing. You guys, am I the only person that talks to themselves like a lot, like an abnormally large amount of times throughout the day? Like, I literally will catch my, I gotta edit out so many parts of the video where I'm talking to myself. Get the freak away. Like, why are you like so invested in flying around me? Oh my God, I look beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't. Hey guys, so this is the results. These are the results. I think this is so cute. OMG. So cute. phone, all you hear right now is click, 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 because I'm taking picture after picture. But guys, let me show you the final result. I accidentally combed this side out and it looks insane. So that's why y'all only gonna see this side, right? So this is just a tip. Learn from me, you guys. Don't comb these curls out. Chopper sing sweet like he's out diabetes. Oh. And I didn't even like really do the finishing touches. Wait till I do that for real. Alright, you guys, we are making it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is literally just the beginning of our journey. I had so much fun editing this video because it's actually really fun. All the sound effects and the video effects and everything like that. But thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that my new hair tutorial is out on YouTube and you can learn how to curl too.